Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings on the device or the browser preferences. This is where controls live. Once in Settings, tap Privacy or Security and note whether the option is under Screen Time or Parental Controls. Different OS place it differently. Make sure you have the admin password or Screen Time PIN ready because you will need it to change persistent restrictions. Now that you're positioned in the correct panel, move to the next step to locate the specific private browsing or incognito toggle and understand its scope. Once done locating the privacy options, find the specific private browsing or incognito setting and switch it off. On some systems, this appears as Allow Private Windows. Disable it. If you're on iOS, use Screen Time to restrict Safari's private browsing, and on Android, use Family Link or Browser Settings to block incognito. After toggling off, make sure to enforce the change with the admin password or PIN so users cannot re-enable it. Finally, close the settings and restart the browser to apply the change. To finish, verify the change by opening the browser and attempting a new private window. You should see the option Removed or Inactive. If History now records pages, that confirms success. Make sure any synced devices also receive the setting. If private mode still appears, restart the device, clear browser cache, and ensure the OS and browser are up to date. One key troubleshooting tip: if restrictions revert, check for multiple admin accounts or family control apps that may reapply the original setting. And
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.